The Solid Biosciences Incorporated stock holds an SI14 at 84 and is currently being overbought on RSI. This does not have to be a sell signal, as many stocks may go both long and hard while being overbought on the RSI. It is therefore important to evaluate the history of the share, as it may tell you something about the RSI sensitiveness. Volatile ride for Solid Biosciences Incorporated stock price on Friday, moving between $3.86 and $5.92, updated on December 11, 2020, buy or hold candidate since the 4th of December 2020 gain 54.55%. The Solid Biosciences Incorporated stock price gained 51.62% on the last trading day, Friday, 11th of December 2020, rising from $3.70 to $5.61, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 53.37% from a day low at $3.86 to a day high of $5.92. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 76.42% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 39 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 39 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $219.35 million. Take hold of disruption. The divide is widening between companies benefiting from disruption and those challenged by it. And it's happening faster than ever. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $5.47, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $7.68 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. Signals and forecast. The Solid Biosciences Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $3.89 and $3.41. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, November 24, 2020, and so far it has risen 82.14%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Support, risk and stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.75 and $4.37. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $4.37 may give a huge drop in the stock price. $4.75, $5.61. This stock may move much during a day. Volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.06 between high and low, or 53.37%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 15.57%. The Solid Biosciences Incorporated stock is extremely overbought on SI14, 84. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity, but since the stock has broken the trend up, the chance for a major correction due to high RSI is very small, as the stock will find support at the trend broken. Our recommended stop loss, $5.42, minus 3.32%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The C14 is 84 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 12 days ago. Is Solid Biosciences Incorporated stock a buy? Solid Biosciences Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy candidate to a hold, accumulate candidate. Current score, 0.000. Predicted opening price for Solid Biosciences Incorporated of Monday, December 14, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 14, 2020. Current price $5.13, $5.61, overvalued.